Where is the end? Here, 3857. The year 1857. Dollars. This is exactly the market capitalization value of our coin. 4,500. Damn, this is of course tough. Greetings to everyone. In this video, I will show and tell you how to create your own coin on the Solana network and how you can earn using this method. This method remains very relevant. So for example, if we go to the most popular service for trading meme coins, we will see that every hour hundreds of coins are created. And this makes sense because each coin that gets listed on various decentralized exchanges and is displayed on the DEX screener service receives very high liquidity, meaning all those people who want to participate in this whole meme coin madness. They buy up absolutely any coin, which is why each coin gets very good liquidity and market capitalization size. For example, if we go to the news section, we will see that even the worst coin collects at least $1,500 in capitalization size. This means that at least $400 to $500 can be earned using this method. So let's get down to business from here. First of all, we will use the service sol-mem. With the help of this service, will we be creating our own coin. For this, on the website, we go to the Create Token section, and here is where we will be creating our own coin. I strongly advise against creating a coin with zero concept, because if you do this, you will need to spend some amount of resources to promote your concept. So in this case, I will use a ready-made concept. Currently, the Maya coin is very relevant. Well, that is the Maya concept. As you can see, similar coins gather very good market capitalization. And we can see that at the moment. This coin was able to gather almost $200,000 in market capitalization. And yes, later on, it skyrocketed. And as you understand, the creators of this coin were able to earn at least $70,000. And this is not the only example. The author of this coin did the same. Here, the concept of Maya is also used, and we can see that at one point, the market capitalization of this coin was approximately $150,000. And from there, gradually, we began to show declines. Well, in fact, liquidity was also pulled out here, meaning this coin also experienced a rug pull. And the creator of this coin, well, at the very least, managed to earn $25,000 to $30,000. And something similar is happening again, but now with this coin. Here we can see that the coin is showing continuous growth. And sooner or later, we will see exactly the same scenario here. As soon as this coin reaches a critical capitalization level, I believe the coin will also start to decline. We have already experienced exactly the same situation here. Right here, we can see that from the pool of liquid extracted. I explain how it works. Let's switch to the 1-minute chart. Right here, the coin was created, it got listed, and then the coin started accumulating market capitalization. That is, people, outsiders, began to buy up this coin. And as soon as the capitalization size reached, let's look, approximately $14,000. The creator of this coin was able, I think, to withdraw at least $5,000 to $6,000. And we are going to do something similar right now from our side. So let's go over this concept. We will completely copy it from our side. First, we copy the name of this token and paste it here. We will keep the token symbol as Maya. Let's pre-copy it as well. We paste it here, 9 declaims, and leave it. And we will create a supply of 1 billion. That's how it turns out. 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we upload the logo that is displayed here, but not in this case. Let's use this logo. To download the logo, we press on this logo and drag it upwards. And a new tab is created. Next, let's take a picture of this image from our side. Let's return to sol-mem. We'll upload our logo here. And in the description section, we'll write what's written here. Let's see if there's any description here at all. So, in this case, there's nothing. Let's see if there is one in the original. Well, let's copy this and paste it right here. Next, optionally, we can enable these two functions. But I don't recommend doing this. Well, at least you can do it at your discretion. But what you must do is enable these 3 functions. The first function allows me not to freeze the coins that are in circulation from my side. The next function allows me to mint a larger number of coins on top, and the third function prevents me from altering the code in any way. That is, in this way, it serves as a basic criterion for determining whether a particular coin can be purchased safely. So, I enable these 3 functions to ensure that my coin can gain a very high share of capitalization. After this, I click on the Launch Token button, and here you will need to wait a little. This will literally take 2 to 3 seconds. Let me authorize on my wallet, click Return, and then click the Continue button to confirm in any case. I understand, and click on the Confirm button for such notifications. These appear because the IP address of the site is not registered within Phantom. For example, if we go back from here and open the additional section, we will see that exactly 0.4 will be deducted from us. Solana, No more, no less. So in fact, by issuing such a notification, phantom, as if it does not take on any additional obligation. So here everything is safe for us, and we click on the confirm button. After this, we will need to wait a little while for the service to issue us a contract. With the token, which we can later verify was on Aite, SolScan, this will literally take just a moment. I think it will take up to 5 seconds for our coin to appear, or rather for our contract to appear, but now the contract has appeared. And now we click the OK button, and we can additionally verify this contract. On SolScan, let's take a look. Yes, the coin has been created. Now we return to the service and click on the liquidity pool button. Now we will be redirected to the Radium service. On Radium, we select our token. For this, we enter the contract of our token in this section. Let's return to SolScan, copy our contract, and paste it here. We will also need to enter the symbol and name of our coin. Alright, I've done that. After that, click on the Add User Token button. Then we click on our coin again. At the top, we set SolScan. In this case, let's go to the liquidity pool. I will deposit one SolScan. And let's set the maximum value of the coins we created. And for the fee, we set 2%, after which we click on the Create Liquidity Pool button. Please note that for creating a liquidity pool, we also pay 0.2 Solana. Thus, the ongoing expenses, at the moment, it is estimated at 0.6 Solana. But I think this is a small fee for how much we will earn in the future. So we copy this contract and click on the Godot button. Then after that, we return to the service, and in the address bar, we paste our contract. And from here, we will need to wait a little while for our coin to appear on SolScan, or rather on Dex Screener. Alright, our coin has appeared, and let's see what has happened during this time. So snipers have entered and exited. Here we can see that someone was buying and selling for $2. And at the moment, our chart looks as follows. A little more time has passed, and someone is gradually buying up our coin. And on the chart, we see such movement, which is quite pleasing. Then our coin is gradually being sold, and the chart is slowly starting to take shape. About 3 to 4 minutes have passed since the token was created. Wow. What is this? Unbelievable. Well, as you can see, people are gradually buying up our coin. And the market capitalization at the moment is $1.58 and continues to grow. Some are buying, some are selling. And gradually we are creating such a incredible. What is this? Unbelievable. So, where's the end? Here, $38.57 dollars. That's exactly the market capitalization value of our coin. 4,500. Damn, this is intense. In short, all I can say is that we've hit an uptrend. And this trend is developing very well. And, well, there is time. Before people start exiting our coin, we are returning to the radio with you. On the radio, we are moving to the portfolio section with you. And here in the portfolio, the following window will appear for you. And in this little window, we will click on the button with you. Minus, to withdraw your money from the liquidity pool. We click on this minus and move this bar to 100. And now we will be able to withdraw from the liquidity pool $1,400. Initially, as you remember, I put 1 Solana into the liquidity pool. And I spent 0.6 Solana on creating the coin and the liquidity pool. And in the end, I am withdrawing approximately 6.5 Solana. Thus, the yield at the moment is approximately $700, which I think is quite a good result. So friends, as you can see, the method remains relevant. And you can still make money with this method. So use it while it remains relevant. I also remind you that this video is created solely for educational purposes and does not carry any other intent. Well, from here, let's wrap up the video. Goodbye everyone.